recommended settings, because as you can see, it's going to give you recommended suggestions dependent on your memory configuration. So I like leaving it at 512 because I'm usually testing it with a few other friends of mine, and we're trying to do a few other settings with CTF. We're actually trying to create our own CTF website. That's something I shouldn't have actually told you because I was keeping it in secret, but don't worry, that's coming out soon. As for the processor, I like keeping this to one processor and one core, so that it just uses one processor, because again the process is very minimal depending on what you're doing. The hard disk space is 8 gigabytes. If you're installing your own files, you can expand it to what you want. Now, as for the network adapter, make sure that it's bridged, and make sure that both options, if it prompts you for a dual network adapter configuration, make sure that they are both bridged. Alright, and once that's done, you can just hit OK, and you don't need to really use accelerated 3D graphics, because Metasploitable is a command line and lacks a graphical user interface.